Hi, my name is VARSHINI. I am from Hyderabad. I recently completed my B.TECH in Mallareddy Engineering College for Women in the stream of Information Technology. I have been joined in the Qspiders in the month of July. I obtained a course in the testing role. I completed my subjects in the course called SQL, Java as well as manual testing. Java was taken by Raghavendra sir, SQL was taken by Nandakumar sir, and after that manual testing was taken by Hasini ma'am. They are very supportive and they have been encouraged me a lot. They helped me how to clear mocks as well as interviews. After that I have been attended mock interviews and I also cleared the mock interviews. After that HR has been added me in the placement. I attended 2 to 3 companies. After that, I have attended mock interviews, presentations as well as aptitude. Thank you, JNTU. Qspiders JNTU.